It does look like that. I'll give that to you.
They're doing about 200. They sure make it look easy.
Yeah, they do. You're the guy that put it together, so I guess you're the one that made it look easy.
I guess so. We started this back in 1985, and right now marks our 34 years we've been together as a team.
That's amazing. I've known you for most of those 34 years. Back in the day, we did a bunch of shows together. And it just keeps getting better. I tell you, it still amazes me. Remember, you guys are the best team.
Thank you, Dave. We really enjoy flying, especially Oshkosh is the best venue we do.
Absolutely.
The crowds are great.
It's L3 Communication, Aerospace Cardiology, PS Engineering, and ICOM. I think we hit them all. Take it out.
You got it? Yeah, Jimmy just did the slide into the slot while they were doing the barrel.
And that's not too easy to do, is it?
So that was all of the night air show that I could film. Before that, it was the day air show, and it was getting too dark to film the rest of the night show. So until then, like and subscribe. See ya.